This video we will show you the proper setup for the expiratory valve, flow sensor, vent circuit, and the QC that you must go through when you reset a vent. On the front of the vent, you will see this area here. You flip it up. This is where the expiratory valve goes, and this is where your flow sensor goes. In the setup bag, you will see your flow sensor. Take it out of the packaging. It looks like this. It inserts straight in. It does not matter if you put it upside down. It will work just fine. The next step will be to put in your exhalation valve. When it comes in the bag, there is this little membrane. This is a very soft membrane, and sometimes it's not seated on correctly. You have to make sure this is seated well. It's not pinched, it's not kinked in any way, that it's on tight. Once you have that done, it inserts very easily, twist, and it locks in. Now the next step would be to connect the two. You slide this over, and it is now connected. Now we have the vent limb. On the end of each one, you will put the class 13 filter, which is yellow. It's a HEPA filter. And then you will put a ViroBac on the inspiratory side. Doesn't matter which direction you put it on, just one of each. Then on the rest of the circuit, as you can see, you will have your HME. Between the HME and the patient Y, you're going to put in your end tidal CO2. We did not put it in here because once they come out of the bag, they start losing their ability to track correctly. So that will have to be put in line as we go. The suction kits come with a bunch of the pink saline bullets for clearing the line. It comes with this tubing. This is to help alleviate the stress placed on the ET tube. You need to have this in line. There's two ends, a small one and a bigger end. The bigger end will go to your HME. Smaller end will go to the other side of the suction. This is the end that will go to the ET tube. This is just the patient way that is put into the vent circuit packaging. So once you have that assembled, flip down your little cover. Remember, green is inhalation, and then expiratory. So inspiratory, expiratory. You're going to put the expiratory circuit with the HEPA filter. The other end is your inspiratory limb. That will conclude how to set up the vent circuit.